Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Greendot to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing we need to do here is we need to add our bank into Cash App. Now to do that, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Cash App mobile application, and from the home screen, click on the profile icon, which is typically located at the top section of your screen. Now from there, just scroll down a bit until you see Link Banks, and from there, click on Link Bank, and from there, just follow the screens or the steps that you'll be seeing on your screen. Now in this case, make sure that you select Greendot and fill out any necessary details regarding your bank. In this case, once you fill out all the details, we are now ready to cash in. So first thing you want to do here is you want to go back into the Cash App home screen, and from there, you want to look for the Money tab. Now on the Money tab, click on Add Cash and choose the amount that you want to cash in, and from there, just click on Add. Now from there, use your Touch ID or PIN to confirm the transaction, and from there, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.